Because the Bible will not tell us na if you follow Jesus, you'll have a perfect life. The Bible tells us that if you follow Jesus, you will have a perfect Savior. Even Jesus, He said, I have told you these things, John chapter 16, verse 33, I have told you these things, that in me you will have troubles, you will have tribulations, but take heart, because I have overcome the world. So if you follow Jesus, life will not be perfect, no? You may or you may not have your promotion, you may or you may not graduate from your university, but we have a perfect Savior. We have hope when things don't go our way. We have a healer even when medical reports says otherwise. We have comfort even the world is hurting us. We have peace even we have a lot of problems. That's the promise of Jesus for us. No? That even if you are in the wilderness, He is still working in your life. He has a promise for you. No? He has a plan for your life. And He is with you.